I'll be teaching you guys how to create an easy Father's Day card. This project, you will need papers or cardstock, scissors, glue, and crayons. You'll also need a pencil, a ruler, a pen, and an eraser. We will start by drawing the cover letter. Start by folding your piece of cardstock or paper in half. Make a small dash mark in the middle of your paper. Then draw a line down. Make a dash mark on each side of the paper. Draw a diagonal line from your dash mark to the side of the paper. Then mark the spot where you want your tie to be. Draw 2 more diagonal lines that connects the 2 dash marks. Then connect the top part to the bottom of your vertical line. At the end, it should look like an arrow. Connect your dash mark in the middle to anywhere on the line you just drew. Then you can start drawing your tie. With the color of your choice, start outlining the tie. With any color you like, start outlining the rest of the suit. Erase the leftover pencil marks when you're done. Now you can start coloring in your tie, any color you like. I used light blue for the inside of the shirt and black for the top jacket. And here is my finished cover. On the cover, I'm writing "To the best dad ever," but you can write anything you want on the cover. You can write Happy Father's Day, to Dad, anything you like. You can continue decorating your cover with anything you like, maybe some hearts or stars. Now I'll teach you guys how to make the inside of the card. For the inside of my letter, I'm writing Happy Father's Day, but you can write any message you like. Use a black pen to trace over it. Erase the leftover marks and cut out each letter. On a white piece of paper, spell out the words you wrote. Glue each letter down one by one in the shape that you like. Mark where you want to cut out your words, and of course, cut it out. Cut out any rectangular or square piece of paper. They can be any size. Make sure they're not too small or not too big. The size shown here is fine. Fold the square piece or rectangular piece of paper in half. By doing this, we give it a little pop-up effect, so when our dads open it, they can see that. And attach it to the back of your words, like so. Do the same on the other side. You can use the other one to measure out the length that you need. Do the same for the rest of them. Here is what it looks like in the end. It gives a little pop-up effect. Hold down the words and fold. You can write your messages all around the rest of the card. Or you can make a bigger origami heart that Annabelle made in previous videos and write your message on there. Here is the finished product. Please subscribe and comment down below what you want to see us create next, and share with your friends and family. And of course, come back next Monday for new videos.